In this video, we're going to cover copying an estimate and then moving it to a new opportunity. So in the last one, I showed you how to move an estimate that was in the wrong location to a new opportunity. And so the difference is, so moving one, it was made in the wrong opportunity, you want to move it over. The other one, copying it, you're actually going to create another estimate by using the revision tool, and then you're going to push it over. So it's basically the same, but you have a new step right up front. So the first thing you're going to do, again, is you're going to look at both of the opportunities. Okay, and you're going to verify some information. So the first one we're going to look at is MW18040033. Okay, and so when we look here, this job name is Sacred Heart, but the account is Maxim. Okay, and so we see here there are several estimates, sales orders, and work orders. Okay, and what we want to do is copy this, or any of these really, depending on which one you're looking at. But so you can copy any of them using the revision tool, but we'll assume that this is the one that that's our target. Okay, and so right before we do that, we're just going to go and look and make sure the other opportunity exists and get some information from it. So the other one is MW 1901034. Okay, and so here the job name is still Sacred Heart, but now the account holder is Sacred Heart as well, right? So that would mean that the job's been turned over to the new owner, and the owner has said, hey, do you want to do some stuff for us? Okay, so we can see here there's already an estimate of sales order. What we're going to do though is just take note of the job name, okay? Although they're the same, but they may be different. And I'm going to show you where to put that in a minute, okay? And I'm just going to copy some of these numbers as well. Okay, so let's go back. MW18040033. Okay, we're going to open up this estimate right here, okay? And we're going to assume this is the one that we're moving, okay? And we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to create revision, okay? So basically it's going to create the exact same estimate, and it's going to give it a new number. Okay, so it's saying, would you like to close this estimate before creating the revision? 99% of the time this answer is no. Okay, we're not going to close this estimate. That takes it away from our ability to track it in the system. We don't want that. So we're going to hit no. Okay, and you see, voila, there we have our new estimate number. It's got a -9. Okay, and we want to make this estimate into MW1901034-1, and then we're going to push it over to the new opportunity. So let's do that. So first things first, we're going to change this job number here, right? Because we're going to move it to a new job number. So MW 1901034. Okay, and this needs to be, actually I did this in the wrong order, but this should be Sacred Heart. Sacred Heart School of Halifax. This is no, remember, we're not recalculating prices from the price sheet. Okay, the new shipping address, Sacred Heart. Additional tab, MW1901034, which is correct. And we're going to hit save. And so what you're going to notice when we close here, it's not going to show up down here anymore, right? Because we just moved it to the new account, to the new opportunity. So let's just go back and see if it moved. So MW 1901034. Okay, and I'm going to hit insert. Okay, and there it is. Okay, so now we want to change that number. So I'm going to hit save. I'm going to copy this number. I'm going to close. I'm going to go to Admin Tools and Transaction Override. We're going to change number. Okay, and we're changing the number of an estimate. Okay, and the transaction number we just copied, we're going to paste that in there. And we copy the old one, right here. Okay, and we're going to give that a -1, right? Because we already have an estimate MW1901034, right? So we want the -1. I'm going to hit update, close, and we're going to go back in this opportunity. And there you have it, okay? So the only thing you might want to do here is copy this job name, which you could have done before, right? So, and then put it here under estimate name. So that's it. That's the process.